I might have made a slight mistake not putting limiters on before I put this sheet, and that gapo tape is holding it quite sturdy, so I forgot to put those bits, and now this corner went a bit in, which normally is not a problem, but because I'm a bit pedantic, I would like to take the panel out. I try to push it at the back, it moves just a little bit, but then it goes back in its place, and that's one of the features of that tape. It takes any movement and keep it there. And I want to take it out, so you really cannot put something and push it because you're going to just damage the insulation. I can just leave it like this, but I'll try something else. So I found the most dirty bowl of the back garden, and I'll take the air out. I don't know if that's gonna work, by the way, but that's my only option to fix that, if I can. That takes time. I found some other football balls, but they were a bit more hard. So I'll put the pump. That's a very unfortunate pump, but let's try what. If you can do actually something or not. So push it there at the back. I really don't know if it's gonna work at all, but it's worth it a try. Technically, there should be enough area of the ball to actually create significant pressure to push it up. Ah, it might have worked. Unfortunately, the ball is not exactly in the place, so it just pushes one side, which is a bit of a down. I may try to, actually now, let's push a bit up. Okay. You see, that works fine. It's really impossible to push the other way. There. Don't want to damage my electrical pipes. I suppose I'm gonna stick those back after I put the spacers, but the result is positive. So if you find it useful, give it a thumbs up. There's the bowl. Now I can take it out, and it's still safe and sound. Even the kids can play with it yet. So all of this was because I'm putting those spacers to limit to where the insulation will go. That's the same as the insulation. Thickness is 100 millimeters with a bit more advanced, like about a millimeter, just in case. Just keep that in. It's 6 millimeter stopper. Ideally, it should be more. If this doesn't go through completely, you can knock it down a bit, and that's the job done. So I need to put the rest of it, and the rest of them there, and just stuff back the insulation. No any damage, no any problems with it. This is just the hose for the pipes. That's it.